Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally making another video. I've been trying to work on some other things, so I had to put this to the side for a week or so. But I have a kind of like unboxing slash review today. This company reached out to me on Instagram to ask if I wanted to try some of their products for like this ambassador for their brand kind of thing. So of course I was like super excited because someone actually reached out to me. They didn't send it to me. They just gave me like a really good discount to try it out and share with you guys. And there's a link below if you want to buy any of their products. So let's get started. So the brand is called Mellow Cosmetics, and they are, oh, I need to get something to open this up. So the website is just mellowcosmetics.com. They are vegan and cruelty free. They have eyeshadow palettes. They have, which is what I got, which I'm going to show you in a second. They have lipsticks, cheek products, highlighters, blushes. They have eyeliners. They have individual eyeshadows, baked eyeshadows. They have gel eyeliners, pen liners, glitter chrome eyeshadows. They have stuff for your brows. So they have a little bit of everything. The only thing that I will say about this brand, especially being a brand that I'm not familiar with and have never really heard of before until they reached out to me, the price point to me was kind of high. A cheek palette, so you get a contour or bronzer, blush, and highlighters, and it's $38, which to me personally is expensive. But I'm going to test out the eyeshadows and kind of see if the quality is worth the price point. The eyeshadow palette that I got is called the Sinopia eyeshadow palette. So let's cut it open and see what it looks like in person. I haven't, as you can tell, I haven't opened it yet. I was saving it for this video so we can see it together. I do like the packaging. It's simple black, and then it has their brand name there. Ooh, my thing slipped out. Comes wrapped in bubble wrap and a little sticker with their brand name again. And this is what the front looks like. I hope my camera is picking up on that. There you go. That's what the front looks like. That's the back. I'm trying to get the sticker tape off. Okay. So this is just a sleeve. That's not the actual palette. Ah! Okay. I don't know what that noise was. Okay. This is difficult since I cut all of my nails off because, ooh, they are dirty! Oh my god. Okay, I promise I'm not dirty. I was putting on my face makeup, and that's like for me putting on my foundation or my tinted moisturizer that got under my nails. My hands are clean, okay, except for the makeup. Okay. Oh, so this is the actual palette. Are you going to focus? Alright, that's the actual palette. Nothing on the back. It's this color. It comes with a little plastic thing, a mirror, and then here are the eyeshadows. Okay, so very pretty. What am I in the mood for? Okay, I'm just gonna get started and see where the journey takes me. So I moved in a little bit closer because I noticed in my last videos I was kind of far away and I don't really know if you could see what I was doing. If you're even watching to follow along, I'm just doing these for fun. If you're not following along, that's okay too. I already put on my face makeup, so I have my tinted moisturizer, my bronzer, my contour, concealer, powder, all that jazz, all the face stuff with the exception of blush because I don't know what my eye look is going to be, so I didn't want to put on a blush that would have clashed. If you watched my previous videos, then you know I like to start with an orange because I like to warm things up. And this is a very warm palette. It does have that blue, but the majority in this like cranberry color here, but everything else is kind of a warm color, or warm, everything else has a warm undertone. So I'm going to take this color from the top row called Brick, this orangey color here, on a kind of larger fluffy brush. I'm going to fix my broken mirror. It's very ghetto rigged. Where my girls at? Make your heels clap. I've been watching a lot of RuPaul's Drag Race, so I have a lot of the songs stuck in my head. It's a mess up here. It's an absolute dumpster fire. Same place I always put the orange, right up here in the crease. The color payoff is pretty good, so that's good. Did I say what this palette retails for? I don't think I did. Hold on. So this palette retails for $38. I will link the website below also. Okay, the color is decent. I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing wrong. Oh boy. Okay. I feel like the more I record, the more of my personality will come out, which I'm pleased with, because even though I liked my first two videos, I did feel like I wasn't being like fully myself and being a little bit boring. Okay, that's that on this brush. A slightly fluffier, less dense brush. Let me just say, I am very happy to see this color because it is very close to my skin tone, and kind of a little bit lighter, so that it will go nicely around when I'm trying to blend out the edges of my crease color. So it's this one here, nudie, this kind of like, can you see it? I'm sorry, I can't tell if it's blurry or not. This like a nudie color. Oh, it's called nudie. Ha! Ha! Good name! This color here, this tan color. Take that and go around. Yeah, see, that's like my perfect skin tone, and it's acting as a perfect blending color to kind of blend out the edges and tone down the orange. So this palette is already a plus for me with just this color, because it's so hard for me to find just like a simple blending color that's my skin tone, or that's a little bit lighter for like a highlight effect. So if you can see, they do have, come on camera, it does have a little bit of fallout, like a little kickback, the dustiness from the eyeshadows. The two matte colors that I used so far. Ooh. Not the bang. The bang. That song has been in my head ever since I heard it. Ooh. Okay, I just swatched some of these colors and look how pretty. Oh, I forgot to swatch, didn't I? See? See? Yeah. I'm learning. I forgot to swatch. I think I'm gonna go with the color Current here. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna take this fluffy blending brush and just kind of blend out that eyeshadow. Okay. I'm kind of satisfied with that. The eyeshadow though is beautiful. I like it. It's really smooth. It goes on really smoothly, which is good. So let's keep going. Where's my other piece? I'm taking a pencil brush and this dark It looks brown, but it's probably a dark burgundy. The color is called Merlot. Mellow, this one here, on the outer corner. Another blending brush to blend that in. I'm going to take this color Birch. Well, if my, this one. Is it focusing? I don't know, I'm sorry. This one. And I'm going to use my finger and just kind of tap it in the center to brighten that up and make it pop just a little bit more so that my eye catches the light a little bit more. Yes. Okay. I'm going to see how the blue looks down there. I might love it. I might hate it. So we're just gonna have to roll the dice on that one. I don't hate that. That's kind of cool. Okay. Okay. I don't know. We'll see later. I'm going to take that birch color again and mix it with champagne for my inner corner highlight. I'm going to use some liner. I'm going to line the inner part of my eyes, and then I'm going to do a liquid liner with my favorite liquid liner, the e.l.f. one, and I will do that off camera and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back. I went ahead and did everything else off of camera because the whole point of this video is to talk about Mellow Cosmetics anyway. So, as far as the eyeshadow palette goes, I really liked it. Honestly, I really liked it. I think the eyeshadow quality and color payoff and all of that, I had no trouble with any of that. That nudie color, that tan color, I love because now I finally have an eyeshadow color that's close to my skin tone, so I can blend around my eyeshadows to blend those out a little bit better and use it as a highlight on my brow bone. The shimmers are really nice. I find that with most shimmers for any brand, they always usually come out nicer than the mattes. The mattes were also nice. The only thing was Merlot, this dark burgundy, the one I used in my outer corner. I wish it were just a little bit darker, like had a little bit more pigment or something, because I don't think the color payoff was as great as all the other colors that were in this palette. I think this is a great palette for a lot of different skin tones. I honestly would recommend this. Again, I think it's comparable to anything else in this price range, so definitely give it a try. I'll have a link below to their website. Okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm rambling now, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. I'm tired, and my back hurts. This is hard. How do these people do this like all the time? Granted, I'd rather be doing this than my actual job, but this is not easy. It's not, but it's fun. So anyway, bye.